Someone left the compost out in the rain. And it didn't matter because it's compost. Hi, welcome back to Let's Make Dirt. And today we're going to make dirt in the rain because it's raining. Here I've got my composter. I'm just going to open it up there for you. And we're just going to see what we've got to compost today. I'm going to move it like this. So I've got not one, but two. No, hey, this one isn't even finished. I have 3 bananas to put in there. Of course, we still have eggs because Easter happened. And then, I'm very proud of my tea that comes in biodegradable little packets. There we go with that. And our cardboard straws because we care so much about the planet. There you go. And then more paper and leaves. And that's a game we were playing yesterday. It's like Pictionary, but it has a very shaky pen. It's called Shaky Picture, I think. It's okay. It's not the greatest. And then we also have some leftovers from last week. This is green bean almondine, and apparently nobody likes it as much as me. So in it goes, just like that. And so then we shut it and lock it so it doesn't come out. Just like that. And then we take a step back and I've got a little hair in my mouth. You can't see it. We don't have to stop. Okay, all right, I got it. Oh no, it's raining, which means I have to rescue my wine because today it is the Sabbath. And I hope everyone is resting comfortably. And today I will be having a little bit of wine with my compost because I'm an adult and I can do what I want. I would recommend, if you are so interested in such a thing, because it is Sunday, 7 Deadly Sins, so that we can keep in mind what's important in life, even when drinking our wine, and that's to enjoy the good things. I'm sure there's sin involved there. I'm a pastor. I think we should all be aware of that. Oh no, the rain is coming. I don't have enough hands. I think I can protect it at my feet. Okay. I feel good about all my choices today. Let's compost. It is really nice that rain doesn't have to stop the compost. It could be pouring down rain, and so long as I had my little umbrella, I could still compost. That felt good, but I'm gonna switch hands. Hang on. Happy Sunday, y'all. And I'm just curious because I've previously had some trouble here. Come a little closer. A little closer. Lean in. I want to see if you can hear the whale song. You know, it's interesting. Today, less whale song, more beach. Crashing waves. Maybe that's like the harbor horn. I hope you've enjoyed composting in the rain today.